Adding mixed numbers is no more difficult than adding fractions. In fact, all we are going to do, in keeping in the idea that we work in our columns, we add the whole numbers first. So we have 3 5/8 plus 11 1/4. We add the 3 and the 11 first as the whole numbers. Now the whole number part, in fact, is the most important part of the question. Get the whole number right and you've got the main part of the question right. Now we're going to add the fractions 5, 8 and 1/4. Now remember how we found the two factors at the base. The difference between 8 and 4 is 4. 4 is the highest common factor, so we write 8 as 4 times 2 underneath with a little fishtail, 4 times 2. And the 4 is 4 times 1. Not 2 times 2 as some people put. We cross off the 4 because they both have a factor of 4. And when we put the 1 with the 5, we get 5 over 8. We now have to put the 2 with the 1/4, so we have the 2 with the 1 up here, so we just place a 2 there. And we have a 2 beside the 4 on the bottom. We just place a 2 there, so a little dot to say times 2. So adding 5 3/8 plus 11 1/4, we add the 3 plus 11, which is 14. And the 5 over 8 remains 5 over 8. The 1/4 becomes 2 over 8. 5 8ths and 2 8ths is 7 8ths, so we have 14 plus 7 8ths. We needn't have put the plus sign here, we just left it there for explanation. We should have gone straight to our answer, which is the next line down, 14 and 7 8ths. Let's do another one while we're on a roll. This is very simple. Maths can be fun when you know how to do it. We notice that the two numbers 3 and 4 don't have a common factor because they have a difference of 1. We needn't write anything at all underneath the 3 or the 4. We just straight away take the 4 across to the other fraction, 2/3. So we put 2 times 4 with a little dot to show that it's a multiplication. And 3 times 4. Now previously we would have added the 7 and 12, which we've done. Now the 2 times 4 gives us 8 over 12. We'll go over and put the 8 over 12. Now when we go back to the quarter, we take the 3 across the 4, so we put 1 times 3 and 4 times 3. So we have 3 1s are 3, which is the numerator of that fraction. So we have 19 plus 8 plus 3 is 11, so we put the 11 over the 12. So the answer is 19 and 11 over 12. You'll notice we've made these very simple because the fraction hasn't added up to more than one whole number. Adding mixed numbers, let's not be mixed or confused. The Cool Math Guru tells you how it's done. Just add the whole numbers, then add the fractions like you've done previously.